Hold on, dog. Hold on.
Jamaica high school right now have more than 45% of Batman.
What kind of statistics?
At the purpose school that. Yo, I'm here, man. Yeah, but it was this entire school.
I just one person.
Yeah, just one school.
Which school? The Calabar?
No, Casey, man.
Casey?
It's purpose school, man.
I be a man sitting over there.
Just one person.
Yeah. That's one person.
I'm man Jamaica man for Batty and
That's crazy, fam.
Oh my God. I don't believe you. This is not happening.
No, the booty goons, them they are JA, you know.
This is not happening.
That's crazy, fam.
This is not happening. This is America.
Hold on, because the people that me see me been attacking about something.
Yeah.
We ask about it. Because he make attack early. At least a couple of years ago, it seemed like say, oh, okay, nah, I don't know with man like Quiet Perry and them thing there. So them dig up the video about that.
Yeah.
I know them say like you do match with him and them type of thing there. So what change? People must say the money change you, foreign change you.
Money can't change me. I been a thief. Where camera there? I been a thief. And my first use just $50,500,000 before me dip on TikTok. In my bank account. Swear upon everything, my love. A friend and girl me lose everything. Me have house in a friend from me at 24.
Wow.
CJ King can't tell you. Ask him, he used to come around my yard.